Right guys, we're walking down the path. Here's Roman and Rob, he's taking a break. There's Lily, all shy to the camera. Still in Widnes.
What's that thing?
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today's video. Come down to Southport, probably for a couple of nights, definitely one night. So this car park here is on the South Promenade. It is advertised on Search for Nights. It's £4.50 for 24 hours. So I'm just waiting to see if any inspector comes because there's no cameras. So the later we get a ticket, the later we can stay tomorrow. So yeah, welcome to today's video in Southport for a couple of days. See how we get on tonight. So currently in the van, we've got Hayden and Lily now. I know a lot of parents, men and women, go through horrible ex-partners, should we say, and I've got one. So even when you think you've got rid of them because of children involvement, and even when you have a court order that says that your kids live with you and they're only allowed to spend a certain amount of hours with the other parents, in the end it seems that police, social services, care workers, anybody can't actually do shit. So in the end you have to do what I did and go and get me kid, and you keep them with you. Maybe not because they 100% want to. They're okay with it, but if they think they can go to the other parent's house for alcohol, drugs, relationships, sexual, that ain't good for your kids, male or female. Sometimes you've got to think, fuck social services, fuck the courts, because they don't help. We're living in a van, perfectly fine for us, but for social services they might think, oh, someone's not got their own space. Even though they're going to travel the world, see things they're never going to see in school, learning about Black Lives Matter, slavery. I think everybody knows what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is my rant. I spent too many years wasting time following regulations. You know what? I'm going to do things that makes us happy. COVID has taught me that life is boring, man. You need to get out. Before COVID, 2017-18, I travelled. I did about 18 countries, and I think that needs to happen again. And this time I can show 2 out of my 3 kids this, and show them that outside of this country, this system, there's a much better world, better place. So yeah, here's to 2023, and here's to Southport. Let's go. Plus,
How many hours you want to stay?
maximum amount reached. That's it guys, done for 24 hours. I thought it was a drop. Well, you'd still slide in if you fell. Get off that ledge.
I'm famous on TikTok, man.
Well, I'm famous on YouTube with my 4 subscribers. We're off house on a late stroll in Southport. Maybe one of them will walk into a lamppost or something. Dog breath. It's bloody freezing. See what adventures we can find. Maybe this BF, American James, said he wants to be in a YouTube video. He can send a video. Stay tuned. There's Hayden on his skateboard. There's Lily on her skateboard. Oh. Oh yeah, splinters in your bum. So we get the kids who paint all this to come and do my van.
For what?
Get the kids who graffiti on here to come and do my van. Just to show we are good people, I'm going to put these in the bin. We didn't leave them on the car park, but we did use them as props. I'm going to get you over there.
Can I film you? Put your foot sideways.
Put my bum on it. Lily, what's she doing? Well, it's a cold morning. It's Wednesday. So we're parked up. Next door, well, not next door, but technically next door is a camper van from Belgium. Hayden's just been for a little wee. Still runs like a weirdo. So I think I'm going to leave here because the weather's crap. What are you saying? What? Guess where we are? Back here because of Lily. Oh, there's Lily. Whee! Whee! You can do that big one then. Yeah. She's gone. Way.
Oh, Dad!
But I'm not in it.
A few inches later.
Here we are, Spike Island. Kids are doing me head in, so I thought I'd bring them here. There's a new Runcorn bridge, newish. Let's see what's happening on this park. Oh, we nearly got him face planting then. Yeah, you're getting down now. You have to go down backwards.
Stop filming me!
Yeah, Use my hand. Right, your foot, that is touching there now.
Dad, you couldn't tell me.
Jesus Christ. Right guys, we're walking down the path. Here's Roman and Rob, he's taking a break. There's Lily, all shy to the camera. We're at Widnes River, the River Thames.
We're not in Widnes, we're in Runcorn.
Still in Widnes. Nice phone, lad.
Even got Pedro the pony on it.
Ah.
You don't face that face.